Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If Microsoft Teams is displaying error code 2605, it usually indicates a server connection failure caused by corrupted local authentication tokens or a broken organizational link. I will show you exactly how to clear out these broken credentials and restore your access right now. Let's get started. First, we need to completely sever the corrupted connection between your Windows device and your organization's network. Open your Windows settings, navigate to the Accounts menu, and click on Access, Work, or School. Locate your specific Microsoft 365 or organizational account in the list, click on it, and select Disconnect. Keep in mind that doing this might temporarily sign you out of other Office applications, so make sure any active work is saved before you confirm the removal prompt. Next, you must clear the application cache to remove the broken temporary data that is triggering the server connection loop. Press your Windows key, type Installed Apps, and press Enter to open your system settings. Locate Microsoft Teams in the list, click the three dots next to it, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click the Repair button followed by the Reset button to safely wipe the local files. If you are still using the older classic Teams, you must instead open your Run dialog and manually delete the contents of the %appdata%\Microsoft\Teams folder. Finally, we need to flush out the lingering authentication tokens that are blocking your new login attempts from succeeding. Press your Windows key, search for Credential Manager, and open the Control Panel application. Click on the Windows Credentials tab, carefully locate any entries containing Microsoft, Office, or Teams, and select Remove for each one. Once those old legacy tokens are completely deleted, restart your computer and open Microsoft Teams to securely establish a fresh working connection to the server. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.